Hello students, welcome in chapter 8, application of integration. Students, today I continue our chapter 8 in the example number 5. One line, either two line and one curve related area bounded between with the axis. Find the area by the given ellipse x square by a square, y square by b square equal to 1 and lines x equal to 0 and x equal to AE, where x equal to A is what? Line containing our lattice rectum. Yes, where condition also given b square equal to a square 1 minus e square. Students, it's very easy and simple way we going that ellipse, you know that type of drawing, but containing here a0 0 0 minus a 0, that is 0b 0 minus b, and two lines x equal to 0 is itself that, and second x is equal to a, that the line containing between a that, and I want to area bounded by line containing with the bounded by x equal to 0 and ellipse is this one. That's my target between 0 to A. And after that, students, I will take double. Either direct also double you calculate, don't worry. This is A1, again that double A2, means multiply by 2. So for the given ellipse curve x square by a square, I just separate y value. So y square by b square 1 minus x square by a square. So it is get b square by a square minus x square. LCM take and separation for y, which is b by a under root, and that's your curve, students. It means this curve, only that, and between 0 to a, easy now. So area bounded by the curve y is equal to what? B by a under root a square minus x square, and between there are two between s, one of the x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, and that I taking only area a1, it is 0 to a y dx, only I that calculate. Then after I make double, so 0 to a b by a under root a square minus x square dx. Students, is integration you know b by a outside and other are x by a under root plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a and 0 to a. Just putting down your limits and easily you get one of the parts of a1. So b by a same, apply first upper limit x plus a, here a square minus a square is square, same as if you here put it sine inverse a by a, and if you 0 put it, then here 0 and sine 0 is also 0. This is your answer, students. This is cancel a and a. But in textbook further explanations given that very easy. Here students, a common, a remaining, and this a cancel. Only you have to be e by a, that's a square common 1 minus e square, and here a remaining sine inverse e. Again repeat, here a common, one of the a, and this a I will cancel there. So only you have to again here a common, look at that. So b same e by a, that will be known the a square 1 minus b square. If you put it value b square, then correct. Either not put it in common taking, then also students it is a correct value. So here a common outside and you will be cutting that. Students, here by mistake I written here x by 2, not x by a, here 2, that also 2, correct. Now this a and a cancel, so e by 2 Here a common and another r, same as you can write down under root 1 minus e square. And here a by 2 sine inverse e. Now students, a and a common outside, half also common outside. So ab by 2, other is same, e under root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. And this answer for a1, but I want to total. So it is total area that apply you 2 times of a1. It means this multiply by 2. So your answer is AB, e under root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. And that, students, here total area cover is example 5 done. Now I will start easily our exercise first. Now students, continue our exercise first question. Generally exercise question also same given. It is a simple curve and a line and a one of the 2 line, either single line. Yes, first one, find area bounded by curve very easy exercise. First one, find area bounded by the curve. One of the given y square is equal to x and x axis, and the lines, 2 lines, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 in first quadrant. Yes, given that in first quadrant, only in first quadrant asking. Students, here it is your y square is equal to x, is the parabola. I just draw one of the legal table, x, y. X taking 0, y taking 0. If you taking here x1 and y4, x4, putting here x1, y is a plus or minus 1, here 4 then plus or minus 2. Your parabola is this way going, x-axis, y-axis, and here students origin. Y square is equal to x, definitely your parabola moving this way according to your 11 signs. I plotted their value. X is equal to 1 means this, x is equal to 4 it means this. Now reading, students, here this is 1 0, this is 4 0, and 1 put it, then y also 1 means this point is 1 1, this point is 4 2, same as here 4 minus 2, and here 1 minus 1, that one, all point plotted. And I want to curve x-axis first quadrant between, it means this area. Here not we going double the a1, because only asking here what? In the first quadrant, students, our solutions asking. So you easily create the bounded between x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4, and easily, students, you create your answer. So area bounded by the curve, I will take here on the x-axis. So my curve is what? Y square is equal to x. So can I write here y root x between x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 in the first quadrant. So only you can define this area even between 1 to 4. So my boundary clear, 1 to 4, y dx, y is known, root x. Students, here 1 to 4 same is. Now make integrations. So here x raised to half dx 1 to 4, and that calculation is easily done. X raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1, boundary same as. So finally you can done x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 1 to 4. So 2/3 make outside. So here 2/3 and here apply the upper limit 4 raised to 3 by 2, 1 raised to 3 by 2, and you will get finally your answer 2/3 same. Here students, 4 raised to 3 by 2 is dissolving 2 square and here 1, 2 cancel. Now 2 cube 8, yes. So 2 by 3, here 8 minus 1, 7, 2s are 14 by 3. And here students, that is the simple area bounded between that in first quadrant is happily done here. Yes students, this area you can saying that 14 by 3 square units. Okay. Now I going same as our question number 2. Find the area bounded between y square is equal to 9x. Question is same. X-axis and line between x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4 in the first quadrant. So this question are same, that's why I written here as it is. Now only this data is a change. Yes, area bounded between y square is equal to 9x. It means that also one of the parabolic form, and you can create by the drawing. So you first of all taking here one of the little table for easily understanding. X0, definitely you are putting then Y0. X applied to some kind of 4, put it X2 here, 9 to 18, Y is equal to plus or minus root 18, and 4 putting then 9 4 the 36, y square 36, y become plus or minus 6. So your parabola again same going, y axis, origin, x axis, and y square equal to 9x. It means in these types they are curving. One of the x is equal to 2, one of the 4, that create 2 0, 4 0, that is indicate x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, and that's the area in the first quadrant. Only this your answer saying to A1. And students, you point mention very easy, 2 comma root 18, here 4 comma 6, that become 4 comma minus 6, and here 2 comma minus root 18. It's very easy and simple notifications. Now I go to 2 to 4 bounded curve, x-axis, it means dx taking. So area bounded by the curve y square equal to 9x. So what is the y? 3 root x. You not taking here plus or minus, because area never be negative. So here 3 root x between the lines x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4 with x-axis. Necessary showing with the x-axis. Then you taking dx. So area A1 students 2 to 4 y dx. So 2 to 4, what is the y? 3 root x dx. Now area start. So your area is coming 3 x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 2 to 4 same. So finally you can going A1. Students, here this 3 and this 3 cancel. Only 2 make outside. Other 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 raised to 3 by 2. And simple, calculate. So your final solutions here 2 square raised to 3 by 2. Can I write here 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to half? Definitely. So students, here 2 same, 2 to cancel, it is 8, and here 2 into root 2. So finally your data is a 16 minus 4 root 2 square units. Either you will take students common also 4 outside and other internalize it is, that's your answer. Students, this answer indicated by our square units. And that's your 16 minus 4 root 2 easily and happily done. Now continue students. Question number 3. Find the area bounded between the curves x square is equal to 4y. This change only. X square is equal to 4y with the y-axis. X square is equal to 4y. Sorry. Yes, x square is equal to 4y. Y-axis, a line given y is equal to 2. And next y is equal to. Secondly, y is equal to 4. Also asking in first quadrant is same as. So x square is equal to 4y, y-axis, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So here students, drawing is change in your according our questions. Here clearly given area bounded with y-axis. So I will take area with y-axis means dy. So here also I get to first of all table and create minimum 2 points, x and y, x0, y0. Now putting y2 and y4, y2, y4. Putted y2 here, so 4 to 8, x will be plus or minus root 8 and 4 putting then 16, x square equal to 16, so x is equal to plus or minus 4. Your parabolic curve is moving that in this way, x-axis, y-axis, origin. Check, x square is equal to 4y means in this types of your curve. And here y is equal to 2. That point is 2, 0. Second, y is equal to 4. That point is 4, 0. Here 3 and here 1. And clearly check, it is between the first quadrant with y-axis. Means this is your y-axis. This is your first quadrant. It means only this area I will define between y2 to y4. If you not given first quadrant, you will check double. Only this area. After that you will double a1 and a1. But here only asking about first quadrant. So I only taking y-axis with dy 2 to 4. So area bounded by the curve. What is your curve? X square is equal to 4y. So x is 2 root y. Between the lines y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 with y-axis. Here students, area with y-axis asking. So I will take dy, and if you x-axis taking then dx. Here area between that 2 to 4 x, and the value is known 2 to 4, x is 2 root y dy. Now simple, calculate by integrations. So 2, it is y raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limit 2 to 4 same as. So 2 to the 4, yes. It is 4 by 3 and here apply 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 raised to 3 by 2. Here students, you further calculate exist. So A1 area 4 by 3, here 2 square raised to 3 by 2, here 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to half because 3 by 2. So finally you can getting here students 4 by 3 same. It is 2 cube 8 and 2 root 2. It means 8 4s are 32, 4 2s are 16 root 2 by 3 square units. That's your answer. Cover area bounded by 2 to 4 with the students here y-axis. Students, here by mistake I written 4 2s are 8, not a 16. By mistake I written 4 2s are 8. And now students here correct. Now continue going ahead. Question number 4. Fourth question is a most IMP for exam level. And that 4 related already I explained in your example 4. That is the same. Very interesting questions and IMP for exam level. Question number 4. Find the area of the given curve, one of the ellipse given, x square by 16 and y square by 9 is equal to 1 on the axis. Yes, x square by 16, y square by 9. Very easy. Ellipse. Students, is shortcut formula known. What is shortcut formula MCQ wise? Area of ellipse pi b. A is a 4, here square root. B is a 3, here square root. 12 pi. Done, sir. But MCQ wise. Now I plotted to respectively drawing. Here will be take x 0 and sometime y 0. Taking x 0, y square 9. Y is equal to plus or minus 3. And if you y 0 taking, then x is equal to plus or minus 4. So your elliptical part done. In this way, y, x, origin, and that is your ellipse. That to create 4 0, minus 4 0, 0 3, 0 minus 3. Now students, as you like, you calculate this first quadrant and multiply by 4. Either I taking this 2 also and multiply by 2. I will take multiply by 2 wise. Minus 4 to 4 bounded. Between the curve, here y I separated. So students, I just showing here curve x square by 16, y square by 9. So what is y square by 9? 1 minus x square by 16. So it is your 16 minus x square by 16. So what's your finally y? Yes, square 9 by 16 and here 16 minus x square. So y become 3 by 4 under root 16 minus x square. Only I take y outside 3 by 4 and here 16 minus x square value. Now very easily minus 4 to 4 I bounded. So area bounded by the curve, this curve, y is equal to 3 by 4, 16 minus x square, between x is equal to minus 4 to x is equal to 4, and that I create, it is your A1 on x axis here. So minus 4 to 4 y dx. Just you put it, that y value 3 by 4 under root 16 minus x square. Now very easily and simple way you can ending this sum. 3 by 4. Can I write 2 times 0 to 4? Students? Yes, definitely. Because my boundary minus 4 to 4, I just divided into 2 equal parts. 0 to 4 also true and minus 4 to 0 also true. That's why I am taking it 2 times 0 to 4. And that is the cancel. 3 by 2. And here formula x by 2 root a square minus b square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by and boundary 0 to 4 limits. Now students, simple way you can apply our limits. So area A1, that is 3 by 2 same, and apply your limits. 4 by 2, that is 16 minus 16. 4 square minus 4 square 0, that is 4 square 16 by 2, and sine inverse 4 by 4. There is no chance putting to 0 because limit 0 putting then 0 all. So 3 by 2 same, here 0, 8 and it is pi by 2. So 2 4s are. Finally you can get 3 by 2 into 4 pi. And how much it is? Yes, it is 6 pi. This area is covered too. Finally, your between that and this. But I want full, so into 2. So required area A 2 times of A1 will be 2 times of 6 pi, which is 12 pi square units. And already students, that's I define here in the shortcut way. Always you can apply by the tally conformations pi AB, area bounded between the ellipse, always pi AB. Now I continue students, our question number 5th. Students, 5th question is same, x square by 4, y square by 9 is equal to 1, and that you try itself. So 5th question I will give you itself calculate homework question. I will start now question number 6. 4th, 5th and 4th are same, that's why I given students. Now 6 is again coming IMP questions to exam oriented. Find area bounded by, question number 6. Find area bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 and line x is equal to root 3y with the x-axis, and also asking in first quadrant with the x-axis in first quadrant. Yes, this question and example 4 are same students. Yes. Now first of all I will draw the drawing and I find out between both common points. Yes, between circle and line I first define common points. So mention here, first we find common point of curve and line. Students, here if you are taking x square, it is 3y square, and that x square you put it here. You easily define one of the common points. So here 3y square plus y square, 4y square, y square is 1, y become plus or minus 1. And y if you plus or minus 1, then what is the x? Root 3y. Root 3 with plus or minus. It means plus or minus root 3. Finally, x and y done, circle and line. So students, your drawing is that here your circle, unit circle, having center 0, 0 and radius 2, 0. One of the line also passing through here. So you can draw passing through origin, this line. And this point, also that point. X is a root 3, comma 1y. Here B point minus root 3, minus 1. Means this is your minus root 3. Yeah? This is your plus root 3, comma 0. I want only in first quadrant, so only I explain that. That's the region for A1. And secondly region A2. This is a region A2, I indicate that plot dot dot dot. So after that, first of all A1 explains 0 to root 3, I go to root 3 to 2. But in this area bounded by line, what is the line? X is equal to root 3y. And here students, your curve y is equal to under root 4 minus x square. Here one by one I going that. First of all I start to A1. Yes. So your calculation start. Area bounded by the line, this line, x is equal to root 3y, between, where they belonging to between area? In this range, means 0 to root 3, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to root 3 on the x-axis. So your area A1 is clearly you known 0 to root 3 y dx. Correct? And apply their value. So 0 to root 3 same, y is what? X upon root 3 dx. I only y separated here, x by root 3. Now integrations. So students, your integration is done. A1. Here 1 by root 3 same, and that is x square by 2, and 0 to root 3 again same is. Now area, upper limit minus lower limit. So root 3, 1 by 2 root 3. Similarly, here root 3 square 3 minus 0. So A1 is clearly root 3 by 2. That's your first area defined. Between us, that and this 0 to root 3. Now I start to A2, but only that curve belongs. Check. Between what? Root 3 to 2. So continue. Area bounded by the curve. Where is the curve? Y is equal to under root 4 minus x square. Between. Now between is taking x is equal to root 3 and x is equal to 2 on the x-axis. Necessary students, write down the steps properly. So A2. What is your A2? Root 3 to 2 y dx, and root 3 to 2 y you known 2 square minus x square. I only explain about that this part. Root 3 to 2 y you known 4 minus x square means 2 square minus x square. Now formula, yes, it is x by 2 under root plus a square by 2 sine inverse, and boundary same, root 3 comma 2. Now try to upper limit minus lower limit. Yes students, so upper limit putting 2 by 2, here 0. Here 4 by 2 means 2, sine inverse 2 by 2. Okay, upper limit done. Now I operate lower limit, root 3 apply. So students, here root 3 by 2. Here 4 minus 3. Continue, 2, sine inverse root 3 by 2. That is your solutions. So students, my answer is 0. Here 2. When the sine inverse 1, it is a pi by 2. Continue. Root 3 by 2 same, it is 1. And then when the sine root 3 by 2, sine 30 is half, it is 60. 60 means students pi by 3. Yes, sine 60 root 3 by 2. And that calculations you can create your A2 value very easily. And then after I will show the final answer, A1 and A2 additions, and you get your answer students. So your A2, it is a 2 pi by 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. This cancel. So you collect pi minus 2 pi by 3 and other root 3 by 2 same is. So it is pi minus pi by 3 itself pi by 3. 3 pi minus 2 pi, 1 pi, or root 3 by 2 same. That's your statement number 2. That the area A2. Here students, you can create your this region. Now both additions. So finally total area A1 plus A2. What is A1? Root 3 by 2. And A2 is a pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. It should be pi by 3. And that's the students, your final answer is done. But this same numerical I explained about shortcut. This is the line, x is equal to root 3y. If you find out this angle, you can get very shortcutly answer. So students, now I explain to shortcut. According to example 4 also, here I shortcut explain. If you are asking in MCQ, then correct. What is the slope? Here 1 root 3 dy by dx. Your tan theta is done, dy by dx. Slope of the tangent 1 by root 3 and tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Overall degree you know. What is the 360 by 30? Yes, it is the 12th part. This is the 12th part of the degree, 30 degree. So overall circle, what is the area of circle? Pi r square, but r square known for, and by a 12th part. You can apply a 12th part because degree divided 12 part of the original. So area also divided by 12 part, directly coming your students here final answer. And now students, this part is done here and this question is also done. Students, here I part stop. Further explanations same as I will explain in the next part. Bye bye.